How to add layers in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, you can directly import the video that you want to edit. So here, I'm tapping on one. After doing this, here on the right top, tap on next. So basically, we're in this editing platform. Here, you can make different edits and different changes in the video. Here on the right hand side, you can see a section of layers that are available. Now, in order to create or add a new layer, simply tap on this plus icon, and here there are different options that you can choose on. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize. So here I'm tapping on one. So after you do this, two different layers are in the same frame and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you